Okay, next up, we're going to be going over our SWOT analysis. For this slide, we'll be going over strength and weakness. First off, we have strength. I think our biggest strength was our communication within our group as well as our decision-making process throughout this whole simulation. And the reason why I say this is because, yes, even though we had an even number of people, so both the votes could have been divided. When we did have that situation, let's say we had pathway A or pathway B to choose from, we decided to hold a little debate with each other, and each person got to back up, get evidence to back up why they think path A or path B was correct. After everyone has done so, we came together as a group and we looked at all our options, and then we decided which path would be the best way and why. And we kind of listed the pros and cons. So I think our communication was very good throughout the simulation. And next, we have our weakness. One of the biggest weaknesses I think we encountered while going through the simulation was calculating and implementing the budget we were given without exceeding it. If you look at figure A, just for an example, you can see where we struggled when it came to our budget. Because if you look, we actually did invest a little less money than other competitors. For our complex, for example, our total investment was 3.5 million, while our average competitor invested 5.9 million dollars. So it was kind of hard for us to target all the areas we could with our budget because we were unable to target all the areas like we wanted to aggressively because we simply just did not have enough money within our budget, and we wanted to kind of target some other areas more stronger than others. Therefore, you can see where we lacked in investing. And then another reason why it was trouble for us when it came to budgeting with the amount of money we were given is if you look at our HR, you can see that we have lower numbers when it comes to our HR. We're below 50%. And the reason being is because HR was one of the areas we not necessarily neglected, but we kind of set aside and we focused the majority on marketing and advertising. And then any money we did have left over, once we attacked marketing and advertising, we went ahead and put it over for HR, which was not a lot. Therefore, our HR score was not the best that it could be.